Hi there, I'm going to show in this tutorial how to repair the Imei for Huawei Honor 4G, also known as Huawei C8817D, since we have the dual SIM version. We are going to use for this pack 7 from Furiousgold. So from the software list we are going to select Huawei Qualcomm Android phones. Before starting anything, we need to do what the software is showing us. It means entering that magic code, go to the project menu, background settings, USB port setting, and select the manufacturer mode. And be sure to use the DB adapter reserve interface as COM port. So returning to the phone, we dial that code, *#*284 6579 #*#, and we go to the menu project, background setting, USB port setting, and we select the manufacturer mode. Succeeded. Confirm. We are going to check the email right now. As you can see, the phone Imei number 1 and number 2. Now we return to the software. We are going to select the DB adapter reserved interface. We go to the repair tab. We press detect phone. As you can see, we have here the phone shown to us, and now I'm going to check this. We are going to put a dummy Imei. We can also change the Imei number 2, and we are going to press repair. Finished. The phone restarted. Okay, so let's check the Imei. *#06#. As you can see, the Imei changed successfully. Thanks for watching, and activate your pack 7 today. Bye bye.